We're in the School of Law here at IU.
And it just left us.
We'll have to wait. But...
Yeah.
There's gonna be a lot of people on
This is my cousin Joran, by the way. You all might remember him from a previous video. Let me actually look at this real quick. Focus camera. I don't see another elevator, so this might just be the only one, but here it is.
Alright, going up?
Oh, yeah, we can hop on in.
I just wasn't quick enough.
It's all good.
Where are you going?
We're on to 4 also.
You're going to 4?
Yeah.
You sure?
We're just taking a ride, that's all.
Oh, well, 4's infrastructure and all that.
Yeah, we
going
were
up there, work on infrastructure?
We weren't planning on getting off. We were just going to take a ride.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I'll let you ride it back down. I mean, you're
Sure.
not working on the systems here, right?
No. Yeah, let's step off so you can get off. Sorry for in your way.
There you go.
Thank you. Guess a lot of people learned about law today, I guess.
Well, I guess top floor is just a bunch of construction, so.
And they, yeah, like Jordan said, they cut off the certificate number, so. Oh, look. They left the old indicator up there.
Pretty cool.
Is anyone getting, no one's getting on. Actually, let's go to 3. Just because 4 seemed like a private floor.
Yeah.
I'll get a cab view first.
See if 3's a normal floor.
Yeah. The cab blends in really well with the building's theme, I gotta say.
Yeah, the wall.
Yeah. But it's just a generic modernization. And this was originally a Westinghouse, but obviously it was modernized. Let's see, 3,000 pound capacity, Innovation bruiser fixtures. Actually, let me get a photo of that indicator. There we go. I think we'll go back up to 1 and then there. Overall thoughts?
This is probably the nicest, or one of the nicest we've been in today.
Yeah, so far. It depends if we find anything else nicer than this. Yeah, I think we're gonna end here.
We can go.
Yeah. There it goes. And that's it.